Hi, my name is Rob, and today what I want to show you is how to use Screencast-o-matic. It's a simple web recorder. It can make videos or still shots. It can record your screen, and it's a lot of fun. Step one to using it is simply go to their website, screencast-o-matic.com. When you get there, it'll ask you to launch free recorder. Simply click on it, and it'll say recorder launched. When that happens, you'll see a screen that looks kind of like this right here. And it'll ask you to pick the option that you want to record. So you can use screen, webcam, or both. Once you've chosen that, you'll adjust your screen size using these little dotted lines. You simply just stretch them out. Then you'll hit record, and your video will give you to the count of 3 to start. As you're going, you can flip back and forth between websites. You can teach. It's really a lot of fun. When you're finished, click the button again and stop the video. It'll ask you if you like it. If you do, go ahead and click and save it. If you don't like it, there'll be a picture of a trash can and you can simply start all over again. Once you're finished, it'll ask you where you want to upload it. You can upload it to YouTube or Screencast-o-matic will save it for yourself, just for you. All you have to do is just register for an account. All right, that's it. Happy recording.